Last year we got our hands on the SuperEQ S2 budget Bluetooth headphones. For less than £35 we were really surprised at the quality of these headphones. In fact, they did make it into our 2020 top 5 headphone choices. And well, although we did in fact overlook the previous S1s in 2020, we have been sent some today, so we thought we'd take a look and see if these S1 ANC headphones are actually any good. So what do we get? Well, just like the S2s, the S1 headphones do come in this nice PU leather drawstring bag, which for now we're just going to place to the side. We have a very simple but useful user manual, some relevant paperwork, our 40% off next purchase coupon, that's nice. We are also provided with a micro USB charge cable. So nope, I'm afraid we haven't got Type-C fast charging. There is, however, a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable and a useful aeroplane adapter. So nope, you won't have to rely on those cheap flat ones that airlines provide at a bit of a cost. But yes, the adapter comes in real handy. Back to the SuperEQ headphones. Oh, okay, there's certainly some weight to them. They have a matte black finish with a few bits of gloss detail with Be Young, Be Free inscribed to both sides. I guess they're aiming for someone a bit younger, not me in my 40s. Now, build quality really isn't too bad. They are made out of full ABS plastic with red coloured inner lining, and these particular headphones also come in a white and red colour combination choice too. As you can see, we've got the SuperEQ logo, which is branded on each one of the 40mm dynamic drivers. They are fully extendable, foldable in fact, making them compact and portable. On each one of the drivers, we have some over-the-ear memory foam protein leather ear pads, with a big L and R printed on that inner foam padding, indicating yes, they're left and right drivers. Now, I wouldn't say that there is an awful lot of padding on that headband, and I gotta say I'm not really confident when stretching them out too. Although I must say, they do in fact fit my head quite comfortably. On the right side driver unit, we do have such controls like play, pause, call answering, volume up and down, which also acts as the previous and next track selection, and there's also an LED indicator just below. We do have that ANC button too, with two noise cancelling microphones on the top sides of both drivers. There's also a 3.5mm audio port for that wired connection, there's a micro USB charge port, and a single pin microphone. Let's power them on, and yep, they should automatically go into pairing mode. So basically, just have to search and select SuperEQ S1 via your device, get a little pop-up on your screen with a pairing request, select pair, and the connection should be successful, with a patch of percentages that will be displayed up on your phone's screen, depending on what phone you've got, that is. Trying the headphones on, I've got to say that they did feel secure upon my head, but I've got to note that initially, although they were comfortable, I did feel a slight bit of pressure upon my ears, which did affect me after long use, making my ears feel a bit sweaty and a tiny bit uncomfortable. Sound seal, however, is just above average. With that ANC on, to be honest, I really didn't notice much of a difference, especially when it comes to the outside noise, and when the active noise cancellation is activated, it does in fact affect the music audio quality too, making all the levels less clear, and music overall is not so loud. And after turning that ANC off, you know what, the volume is not super loud again. It's just above average. Treble, I'd say again, just above average, with the bass that initially sounded quite good, but it does however drown out some of the other tones. Now don't get me wrong, the mid-levels are quite good, they're not too overpowering, but again that bass just takes too much of a presence, with adjustments to my device's audio settings not really making much of a difference too. So overall, audio quality is just about average, and that doesn't change when using these wirelessly or wired. There's not much difference with that audio quality. So over the past week, out of the 45 hours use that was specified, we did get in fact 33 hours use, noting that we did use 100% volume consistently. Our Bluetooth connection was really good, very stable in fact, surpassing that 11 meters that was specified, that is within a structured area with things like concrete walls in the way. Now you do have minimal waterproofing with these headphones. They are IPX5 waterproof, which by the way you only really want to subject these headphones to light splashes. So I guess they are good for exercise and maybe running in light showers, etc. And with the microphone quality, I've got to say that the voice pickup was nice and clear, with no random disconnections, with no delay and no sound sync problems. Overall, if you're looking for very bassy headphones with good Bluetooth transmission, good comfortability too, that that is, well, over a good few hours and nothing more, then these SuperEQ S1s may be a good suit for you. I do personally think they have less than a serious look than, for example, the SuperEQ S2s, and I also think that they are mostly suited for kids or teenagers. Nevertheless, for the price of £40, that's around 47 in US dollars, I think that these SuperEQ S1s are not too bad to use around your home, good to train and work out with that nice firm tight grip, and today we are going to give these SuperEQ S1s our rating of 6 out of 10. Now I will leave a link for these SuperEQ S1s within the video description down below, along with the SuperEQ S2s too. You can go and check those links out. I'm not affiliated in any type of way, but if you have liked what you've seen today, then why not go get yours? While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you please smash that like button. Please subscribe to this channel, very much appreciate it. Making sure to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated upon my new uploads. Now I've got some more earphones and headphones coming real soon, so stay tuned for those new tech reviews. But as usual guys, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!